Hi everyone, my name's Chris from English Key. In this video we're going to start by looking at the PTE Academic Describe image, which is part of the speaking section of the PTE exam. You may already be familiar with the exam, so this lesson isn't for you. This is for people who are brand new. Please go to our next lesson if you are already familiar with the exam. So I'm going to give you an introduction, and hopefully this will help you understand what you need to do during Describe image. So the question is, what do you need to do? You will be presented with a picture. It could be a different type of picture in many different questions, and you need to describe what you see. You have 25 seconds to prepare, and you must speak for up to 40 seconds for each question. You might have about 10 of these questions. So, what type of images will you see during the exam? There are a standard bank of types of images, and you need to be prepared for all of them. There are some which are more common than the others. So the most common are maps and plans, bar charts, line graphs, flowcharts, processes, images, and pie charts. Actually, the most common are the bar charts, the line graphs, and the pie charts. So be prepared for those. They will definitely be in the exam. Some of the others may or may not be in the exam. So the next class that we're going to have after this is going to talk about how to begin the Describe image. It's all about good preparation, being calm and being able to speak fluently. So if you're ready for that, let's move on to the next class by clicking the next video, and hopefully we will teach you how to pass the exam. Remember to subscribe to our channel, and if you like this video, give us a like. Have a great day.